almost 2 years in, realized that he was an addict. So it was very traumatic. He was an addict, he was abusive. I remember walking into your office. I met Annie, the paralegal. She's so sweet. And the way she was able to show a lot of empathy to what I was going through and let me know that, look, your case is unique, but it's not impossible. That gave me a huge sense of peace and trust.
How does it
Thank
feel?
you. It's still surreal because the day I went in for the exam, I wasn't expecting to get sworn in the same day. So
Right. Other people out there can use some inspiration. I'd love to hear
yeah,
you and just describe what that moment felt like for you.
it was emotional. I cried like when I was upstairs and I told everyone to raise their hand. I was just bawling because it was like a flood of emotions of everything I've been through over the last 11 years, like everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, the supporters, the ups and downs.
Tell me more about your immigration journey.
Okay, so I came out here for business school in 2013. I got my MBA here in Boston. And right after that, fell in love, met a guy, got married, and then almost 2 years in, realized that he was an addict. So it was very traumatic. He was an addict, he was abusive. It was a lot, right? So I worked with Immigration Solutions. It's another immigration law firm here in Boston, owned by Nicole. That's her name. I told her my story. I had a lot of evidence of like the battery and everything. She worked with me to do my work authorized, like the E80 card adjustments. But with you guys, when it was time to like process the green card, she referred me. She mentioned your law firm. She said you guys are one of the best. I looked up your rates, super expensive. I said I can't afford it. But it was such a complex situation that I said, you know what? I just need to trust the process and trust that anyone that hears like what I'm going through and my journey getting to the US and my ambitions out here should be willing to take me, right? So I remember walking into your office. I met Annie, the paralegal. She's so sweet. When I think about what I went through, it was a lot. And Annie was the very first person outside of like my immediate bubble hearing that. And the way she was able to show a lot of empathy to what I was going through and let me know that, look, your case is unique, but it's not impossible. That gave me a huge sense of peace and trust. I went through so much trauma, Josh, and healing from that trauma. I just didn't want to remember anything. Started the process with you guys. It's been wonderful. I felt like it was so fast because I was expecting it would take like the whole year, right? But you just went like boom, 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 boom.
So you're sworn in, you're on Team USA now?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
And is there a peace of mind that comes with that?
It's indescribable. I'm the first. I'm the first of everything in my family. I'm Nigerian, like my parents are not wealthy. Like I'm the first to come out to America by myself. I don't have family here. It's just me, right? So I'm the first to believe in the life that I'm living, and I'm the first to become an American citizen. So I'm the first of everything.
When you said you first approached us, you're like, the legal fees are too expensive.
Mm-hmm,
And
mm-hmm.
sometimes we get that, but now that you're done with the journey, I mean, do you see the value and the effort that went into it and all that? I mean, I can tell people that, but what would you?
Yeah. What I'll tell people is do it. I'll tell people to prioritize. Even if you're earning $1 an hour, just prioritize and invest in yourself. Because I'll be honest, the peace of mind that comes with having an attorney, that's the biggest value. My situation wasn't like a typical situation. So that's even another bonus point to have an attorney.
And if you're like, that's too expensive, I'm going to just get a cheap lawyer, you
Mm,
know,
don't do it. Don't do it. I did my research, right? So even though I had seen your law firm as number one back then, years back, I did my research and then I heard word of mouth from Nicole, right? But at the same time, talking to friends in my circle, people were saying, oh, they're affordable lawyers, right? They're lawyers that, you can just pay $2,000 and you get it done. I'm like, Like, I read reviews. I read so many reviews about your firm. And I said, you know what? I just want peace of mind. Like, it's literally my life. So I'm not going to put it in the hands of anyone, regardless of what my financial situation is. And I think the compelling story for your firm is the flexibility, right? Because if you guys had said, oh no, you got to pay everything, like right off the bat, I probably wouldn't be here. I'm so thankful. I'm just like so thankful.
Well,
I don't know what to say, Joe. I'm just like
to be
thankful.
honest,
I'm grateful.
we're grateful to you because helping good people who struggled achieve, and it's like so beautiful to see you with your smile and your MBA and all your ambition and energy, and it's like this is amazing. This is you're gonna do amazing things.
Oh my God, thank you.
You did it, and
Yeah.
now you get to enjoy the sweet peace of mind that goes along with it.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of you. You did
Oh,
something.
thank you. I'm so thankful. I'll do it again 1,000 times. And I think it's important for people to just know that, it's possible, honestly. Like,
I love it.
just don't give up and just do it.